the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover, your quiet and carefree highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Many of the exciting places you'll want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow. The PeopleMover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. Tomorrowland Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive to the fast lane while not worrying about getting a speeding ticket. Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careen in the cosmos.
Paging Mr. Morrow. Mr. Tom Morrow, please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Your own spacecraft can take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel Progress. Inside this rotating theater, 4 families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that's made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report for Stardust and join me on this daring space mission. I can see you'll never serve.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy. Thereafter at Monsters Incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laughboard.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority.
Thank you for traveling on the PeopleMover with me. Hope you have a galactic day. It's been stormy
Keep your
Stitch.
arms away from the doors.
Stay weather aware.
The doors slide open automatically.